Hi folks, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm here with my 2010 Volkswagen Golf GTI. It's a Mark 6 and it's a new to me car. So it's an absolute fantastic, stunning little car, but I did pick it up for a good price. It's only got 140,000 kilometers, but I picked it up for a good price just because of a few little minor imperfections in it. So right now, I'm going to introduce you to the car and show you what's wrong with it. So looking under the bonnet, it's actually reasonably clean and the engine just starts and absolutely runs beautifully with no ticking at all from a cold start. But looking down here, you can see there's clearly a coolant leak. So that's something we're going to have to address with this car. You can see the bonnet lining is all loose and flappy. So pretty minor thing there, but something that should have been addressed. But apart from that, it really is a clean vehicle under the hood. And as I said, it runs really sweetly. So looking around the vehicle, the paintwork on the exterior is actually in remarkable condition. And in fact, in remarkable condition all around the vehicle. However, this left-hand mirror is completely missing. So that's something that's really simple that we'll do on the channel, and I don't know why the previous owner didn't do it, because it's just one of those little things that would have been detracting buyers from the vehicle. And moving to the interior, you can see it's got the lovely tartan cloth interior, which is actually in remarkable condition once again for a vehicle that's 15 years old. The headlining's all in great condition, it's not sagging at all, and the car just presents really well. But importantly, as you can see, it's actually a manual. So what's the plan for the channel with this Golf GTI? Well folks, we're obviously going to do the repairs that you can see outright. We've got that coolant bottle to sort out. There's a coolant leak in there somewhere, so we're going to do that on the channel. We've got the mirror to fix. We've just got some little minor imperfections around the vehicle that we're going to fix. But then, just like you might have seen in some of my other videos, we had the Mercedes, we did the front to back. Every single fluid changed in that vehicle. Well, we're going to do the same thing with the Volkswagen Golf here, folks. We're going to teach you how to absolutely maintain and service this little Volkswagen Golf GTI yourself at home. But we're also going to run you through what you should look for when you're buying one of these. And we're probably going to do a little bit of preventative maintenance on this Volkswagen Golf GTI. So if that's something that you're interested in, folks, do subscribe to the channel, give us a like, throw us a comment down below. You tell us what you'd like to see out of this little Volkswagen Golf GTI on the channel. And perhaps, folks, maybe we'll even hit a track one day in it. Who knows? But as I say, subscribe to the channel. Until next time, have a good evening.